Hello everyone, welcome to Cozy Lifestyle channel, and today I'm going to share with you an easy way to cleanse and glow your skin naturally at your comfort home. What I'm going to share with you today is my favorite face mask. It's simple and easy, a powerful ingredients with abundance of benefits. It is turmeric and honey. These two ingredients are the best DIY option and gives you an amazing result. Turmeric has been used widely since 100 years ago. You can easily get it from your grocery stores and it doesn't cost much. This is one of the miracle spices full of benefits for your body and skin, and it does and fixes almost everything. So before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you'll be notified whenever I post up new videos. Okay, some of the proven benefits: it helps brighten your skin, tighten your pores, it will help your scars, it helps your acne, reduces dark circles and redness, inflammation, and this is a powerful anti-aging. Literally, it does everything. Before I share how it works, please be mindful that turmeric powder is very yellow. It will leave stains to your white shirts, your hands. So if you worry it will leave a yellow stain in your hands, I would suggest wear gloves. So let's get started. I'm using organic turmeric powder and raw honey. In case you don't have these two ingredients at home, you can always get it from your grocery store. First and foremost, get a bowl or a container, put a half teaspoon of organic turmeric powder and put a few drops of honey. I'm using my finger to mix both ingredients until it becomes a paste. So it takes less than 1 minute to make a paste. Once the paste is ready, put it evenly to your face. Avoid your hairline and your eyebrow from getting it yellow. You can also put it under your eyes to help reducing any dark circle. After 15 minutes, wash off your face thoroughly. If you can see your face a little yellow, don't freak out. Apply your facial cleanser and wash your face again. You can do this face mask 2 or 3 times in a week. Once your face mask completely wash off, you can feel your face very clean and glowing. The result is amazing, seriously amazing. Now you know how to make the best face mask using turmeric and honey. These are the best combination of ingredients for your skin. I really love the result very much. I would recommend you to do this turmeric and honey face mask. Your face will definitely softer, you feel smoother skin and noticeably calmer skin due to anti-inflammatory properties. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos. Till then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.